Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a name change online in Haryana. We will go through the easy method step by step. First, you will learn about the essential documents required. Then, we will cover the online application process in detail. Finally, I will guide you through submitting your application and tracking its status. This process typically takes about 2 to 3 weeks to complete, ensuring a hassle-free experience for you. To begin, you will need a few key documents. First, a notarized affidavit clearly stating your old and new names is crucial. Next, secure 2 newspaper advertisements, one in a local daily and one in a national daily. Also, ensure you have a copy of your identity proof, such as an Aadhaar card, along with your address proof and 2 recent passport-sized photographs. Having these ready saves significant time. Now, let's dive into the online application. Start by visiting the official Haryana Gazette online portal. Once there, you will need to register and create a new user account. Carefully fill out the online application form, ensuring all details are accurate and complete. After filling the form, proceed to upload scanned copies of all your prepared supporting documents. Double-check everything before moving forward. The final steps involve payment and submission. You will need to pay the prescribed application fee online, with several convenient payment options available. Before hitting submit, meticulously review your entire application one last time to catch any errors. Once submitted, make sure to note down your unique application reference number. You can typically expect the Gazette notification to be published within approximately 2 to 3 weeks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.